So one of the new words in the Lean Startup lexicon is vanity metrics. And as coined by Eric Ries, it basically says there are metrics that make us look good, and then there are other metrics that we should be measuring what actually matters. But it turns out here, this is an example of something kind of different. What we were measuring were execution metrics. And if you were an existing company with a repeatable and scalable sales process, then measuring, in fact, the number of people who signed up and were using the product would be a great metric. But it turns out we're actually searching for a repeatable and scalable business model. And the people who didn't sign up, or the people who didn't use the product, this wasn't a vanity metric, this was a search metric we should have been interested in. Because we really want to know, why aren't people using the product? And those type of questions will help us build our business.
Levi, great to see you again. I heard you just launched your app on the iPhone store. What happened?
Yeah, just a few days ago.
Oh, great.
We put it out there. We didn't really do any marketing, and we saw over 1,000 downloads in the first few days, so we're pretty excited about it.
Great. So 1,000 downloads, how many people are using it, and how many people, what are some of the numbers then?
Yeah, so just a few days in, the daily engagement is like 15%, and we know there's a lot of problems with the product, so we're excited about optimizing that and getting it better.
So were you excited about 15%?
As a starting point, yeah, I'm excited about that.
Great. Have you talked to the other 85%?
Not yet. Mostly we've been talking to the people who are engaged in using the product.
So why haven't you talked to the people who are not using the product?
We were excited about the people who were using the product.
So something entrepreneurs need to learn is that in a startup, you're actually interested in searching, not executing. That is, in a large company, that 15% might be actually a great number, and you know you could discard those 85% because you know the reasons why they're not your customers. But in a startup, those 85% who have not used are actually a lot more interesting right now than the 15% who are using. And I think that might be some data you want to get. So what do you think you should go do?
I have 850 people I need to go talk to.
You bet.